mind.
What?
You be loud.
I didn't.
Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me to be locked in, as well as hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. In today's video, I'm giving you a Tryon haul. Yes, I know, another Tryon haul video. I know I've been posting a couple Tryon haul videos a lot on my channel lately, but I mean, what is there really to do in quarantine besides nothing? And I've been doing nothing but shopping, and I'm still working, so I got my coins together. Shout out to us essential workers. If you're one, I do applaud you. Thank you for all your work. It's really appreciated. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. This Tryon haul is going to be nothing but leggings. All my leggings were sent to me by this brand called CubiDupi. They are not just a legging brand. They have biker shorts, they have hats, they have sports bras, they have activewear. They have everything you need for just casual, comfy, chill days when you want to go to the gym, days you want to just chill at the house. These are perfect leggings and clothes and things that you're going to just feel comfortable in. No matter what you're doing, you're going to be comfortable in these clothes. I've never shopped with CubiDupi before. Like I said, they sent me some leggings that I can go ahead and try out. So I picked up 4 different pairs of leggings. What stands out most about this company is how different their prints and their style of leggings are. You're not just gonna get your basic color, blue, white, whatever you have it leggings. No, you are getting different types of styles, you're getting different types of prints, you're getting your cartoon prints, you're getting your tribal prints. They have your more casual prints if you're not into all the colors and all the different types of styles out there. They have your more basic styles, but they also have a lot of different styles and different types of patterns on their leggings. This travel haul video is going to be a little different from the norm. I am going to be doing a yoga session with you guys. I am no yogi, so do not come for me with these poses. This is all new to me, so we're gonna just dive in and do some yoga, do some stretches together, because I need to get out, I need to get active. The world's gonna open up soon, and I don't want to look like I gained 50 pounds. So regardless, this is a Tryon haul video. I'm going to be showing you guys all the leggings that I got sent and what they look like. All that kind of stuff. I'll be reviewing them, so you guys will see what they look like. If you're interested, I'll have the link attached down below where you can find this company, where you can find all these cute leggings. I hope you guys like it. If you do like it, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment which style of leggings you like best, or which pose you like best. Just leave me a comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. I love hearing what you guys have to say about my video. So please keep watching, and I'll show you guys what all these look like, and let's go ahead and do some yoga. Okay, so the first pair of leggings I'm going to be showing you guys is this pink ombre colored leggings. And even before I even touch on the leggings, I just want to point out that each legging that I got from this company, they were sent in these really cute little baggies. They're each individually wrapped in their own little bag, and I think they're really cute. Like, I mean, this is just a really cool concept. Each little legging has their own little bag. You can carry them and travel with them, fold them, and they'll fit nicely in your bag when you travel. Or if you're going to the gym or anything like that, just throw them in here and go about your business. So that was really cool that all my leggings were sent individually wrapped in these little packages. So first little pair of leggings I'll be trying on are these, like I said, pink little ombre leggings. Really soft on both the inside and the outside of the leggings. They are really lightweight. These leggings are tall girl friendly. I usually have to order all my leggings online and order them in a tall, just so they can actually go all the way to my ankle. But these, I did not have to do that, and they are long enough. They go all the way to my ankle, so that's really cool. I really like this ombre style to them. These are gym approved. You can squat in them, and they will not be see-through, as you can tell in these clips I'm about to show you in the little yoga sesh, that they're not see-through at all. It's like I'm doing my yoga, I'm stretching and all that kind of stuff. So they're really stretchy, and they weren't riding up, they weren't falling down. They're just a perfect fit. Okay, so this next pair of leggings that I want to show you guys is this purple kind of like tree print leggings. These are more of like an athletic style leggings. They're more like compressed and they kind of like hug you in. The mid thigh is mesh. It's not all the way throughout the whole legging. It's just on both of the mid thighs. This legging also has pockets on both sides. That's why I said they're a little bit more active than the rest of the leggings that I purchased. These were not active leggings. Like I said, I got all my leggings and they're more everyday style. I really like the print. Like the first pair I showed you, they are very stretchy. They are not see-through. As you can tell in my little yoga clips, you don't see anything, you're not seeing anything through the leggings besides in this little mesh panel that you see right here. But besides that, I think they fit great. I think I got all my leggings in large. They are also long enough for me. They are tall girl approved. They go all the way to my ankle. So I really did like these. Okay, so this next item I got from CubiDupi are actually biker shorts. They're not leggings. I got them in this really cool kind of like tree print. As you can tell, there's just a whole bunch of different types of leaves on the biker shorts, and they are high-waisted. Pretty much all of the leggings I got are high-waisted. I really like the print. I think they're kind of cool. I think they fit perfectly on. They're a nice pair of biker shorts just to throw on, and especially over the summertime, I am always in shorts. I'm always in biker shorts. I have on a pair of biker shorts now. I feel like they're so comfy, and you know, they're really lightweight, so in the summertime when it's hot out, you don't have to worry about having too many clothes on. You just throw on a pair of shorts, and these bikers are it. These bikers are just, you know, they're just bikers. So I just like the print. They're different than the other biker shorts that you would see, and they have other styles as well, so I'll definitely go check those out. Okay, you guys, so this is the last pair of leggings. These are honestly one of my favorite pair of leggings that I received. Like, this is kind of like a comic book themed pair of leggings. I just thought these are really cute. I just had to have them when I saw them on their website. These are definitely long enough. They go all the way to my ankle, and they are high-waisted, and they're just super cute. I just like all this detail going on. And then these leggings are just really cute and really comfy, and they just add some style, some pizzazz to your legging collection, and I really like these. So yeah, these are what the leggings look like. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I am no yogi, so please don't laugh or come for me. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please ask them down below in the comment section. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Peace.